Yo, what's going on, Domination Crew? It's Rico, and today we're going to be talking about how you can make a little extra money with this whole affiliate marketing thing. So guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Rico. Me and my partner Dan, we talk about everything Amazon, whether that's FBA, private label dropshipping, other methods that we don't necessarily condone, e-commerce in general. So, how can you make a little bit of money with this whole affiliate marketing thing, huh? There's competing schools of thought. There's the, oh my God, you have to have a massive audience to really make any money. And then there's the, hey, you have to be a little smarter in order to make that money. Both camps are somewhat correct, but then there's that little middle ground here. Let's deep dive into this. For big YouTubers like Tanner J. Fox and Dan DeSilva and all these guys, like they can run their YouTube audience, basically handle their affiliate marketing. They're gonna make tons of money off it. Like Tanner J. Fox is an affiliate for Jungle Scout, and I think now, is it Viral Launch or Helium 10? One of the two. I mean, he's gonna make a buttload of money just because of his audience. Like, I don't doubt that he makes anywhere from $7,000 to $10,000 every month just off affiliate links. But for smaller guys that don't have an audience that size, like you really have to be a little bit more creative, So how do you get there without A, spending a ton of money, or B, going out of your way and asking all these like really big people to help you? All right, so first off, you will need like a free affiliate offer. So that way you're not paying to get on a platform. Amazon affiliates is probably the easiest way to get started. Okay, so it's completely free. You sign up, you get approved, and then you can start posting those links whenever you get them. So you'll be able to search products, get the affiliate link for it, and put it somewhere, whether it's in your blog, whether it's in your Instagram bio, or whatever. I highly recommend that you start with an Amazon affiliate. So that's the first step. You need to find offers. Like you could do a free trial to Shopify. There's a free 14-day trial. You get paid for that. A free trial to ClickFunnels. You get paid for that. For now, we're just going to focus on Amazon. What you're going to do is you're going to get these affiliate links. You're going to sign up for Amazon affiliates. You're going to, start searching for products that interest you, things that you know all about, okay? You have to know about these things. I would say you have to be somewhat of an expert on this. Like the Sony a6000 that we're shooting this on right now. I know this camera very well. I love this camera. It's cheap. Does the job very, very well. So let's say you know something about the a6000. Do like a review of sorts, You could start a YouTube channel, do a review of the Sony a6000, of the lenses that you're using, post them on Facebook, like, yo man, I love this camera, you check it out here, pick it up from Amazon, whatever, post your affiliate link, have your affiliate link in the description of your YouTube video. Same thing on Instagram. You could use your cell phone to take a picture of your brand new a6000, and boom, and there you go. You start promoting the things that you know. That is the easiest way to start affiliate marketing. Amazon products. Everyone shops on Amazon already. You can cater to those people that are wanting to buy those products on Amazon. And whatever they purchase, making money. Like we have affiliate links down there for the a6000. And people click, and they don't necessarily buy the a6000, but they're browsing on Amazon, buying other stuff. It's a great way to make a little bit of money here and there. Like, chances are until you get bigger, you're not gonna be making tons and tons of money, but you'll be able to make a few $100s here and there. So it's something to think about, guys. Like it really does help out. You don't have to make $1 million or $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 a month. Like we hope that you do, but any kind of money is good money. So guys, that's it for me. Make sure you check out the links below, man. We got the free ebook for you guys. We obviously have our course. You don't have to buy it, but if you do, you're gonna get us coaching you one-on-one. You guys, check out our free Facebook group. It's chock full of knowledge, man. We're always in there talking, always in there networking with you guys. Yo, this is what we love to do. We love interacting with you guys. Be safe, guys, and if you ain't gonna be safe, you already know what time it is. Be smart with it.